Hello, Paul.
Hi there, Dee.
We're talking about today a really interesting workshop we've got on tomorrow evening titled Spiritual Connections.
Yes, well, it will be tomorrow evening Australian time and tomorrow morning UK time. But it is a workshop which I think will be a little bit different from other workshops we've done until now, and really directly concerned with the way you relate to others. And I guess the precepts for this workshop are that within each of us, there is like a spiritual core. And if we can link to that spiritual core and just really open ourselves to that, as well as opening ourselves with honesty and integrity to present who we truly are, then that is a way that we can allow relationships to grow spiritually.
Yes, we don't really are very conscious of all the pretenses and blocks that we put in regards to how we relate to others. Sometimes we need to form relationships for other people to say things like, I'm finding it very hard to get to know you, or I'm finding it difficult to get past your boundaries, or whatever it may be. And the wonderful thing about this workshop is that we also are aiming for you to go deep inside yourself and to see what sort of projections and things that you put forward based from the past hurts and betrayals that are preventing you from forming true spiritual connections with others.
Yes, so it's for not only people who are in committed relationships, but perhaps also those that are not. It's very much about our form of relating, how we relate to others and how they may be able to relate to us, and what we can learn to perhaps open ourselves more fully and to find a more holistic and satisfying way of deeply connecting with others.
Yes, so this workshop really is about love. It's about love that we have for ourselves, love that extends to other people, and of course, that love of being part of the human race and being part of this wonderful collective that we're all part of here on earth.
Yeah, so our aim and intention, as always with our workshops, is healing. So you'll be very welcome to come and join us. We'd love to explore these issues with you.
So that means that this workshop will be on Sunday, I believe it's the 6th of June at 6:30 in the evening Eastern Standard Time in Australia, which will be about, was it 9 o'clock or
9:30
9:30
it would be,
in
yes.
for the UK. Thank you so much for listening, and we hope to see you then.
Hope to see you then. Thanks you.
Bye now.